Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 33 of this small account challenge, and before we're gonna continue with my daily recap, I wanna ask you to support my channel by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. Let's talk about today. Yesterday, when I was looking at my previous trade, I was like, okay, I think I'm getting ready for a bigger account to start trading. So I'm getting better in managing my risk. My losers are getting smaller, and I thought maybe it is time to start trading with a bigger account. Today I sit in front of my computer. We didn't have anything, so then BMNR started hitting the scanner. I was like, okay, I can, possibly afford to buy 3 shares. I'm not interested in the stock. So then, a few minutes later, AGRI started hitting the scanner multiple times, from 550 to $6, 650, 680. When I decided to start buying, my first 5 shares I bought at $8.58. I ate it at $8.98, and I was like, okay, here we go. This is the stock that I was waiting for a few days. So what it does, it drops immediately, and my account is down, I think, like by 16 or 20 bucks. I decided to add. I was able to buy 4 more shares. It kept selling off. At some point my account was down by $29. So, and I was like, okay, I thought about that I'm getting ready for a bigger account, but market is always remind you where you need to be. So I got punched in my teeth today, but luckily I wasn't knocked out. So I was waiting to see if the stock is gonna keep selling off, so I need to get out from the position, or I need to wait, because I noticed lower wicks started forming on, I think it was on 1 minute chart, and the stock was keeping and moving up to VWAP. Then it broke VWAP and I was able to get out from my position. So today my account is up by $1.17, or 0.99%. To be honest, I'm really glad that I was able to finish this day green, because today could be a huge disaster day. So this is my day. Definitely I'm not ready to trade with a bigger account. I need to stick with the account I have, and to teach myself what I need to do every single day. I didn't say out loud my stop loss, and it could probably save me tons of money, and I would probably sell immediately on my first trade when I bought 5 shares, and theoretically I could buy 9-10 shares later on a pullback, and today could be a nice green day. But I didn't do it. I did what I did, and I have what I have now. So this is my day, a great example of poor management. As I said, at some point I was down around $2 a share, which is not acceptable. If you want to learn how to trade, this is really bad. And I know that I cannot make $2 a day on a stock each day. So this is something that I need to work on. I need to improve as a day trader. So this is my day, guys. Small green day. If you like the video, I hope that you will hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Right now I'm gonna show you my trades in the pre-market session. Good morning, guys. It is 6:55. We have about 5 minutes until I can trade. We have CGD on the scanner, no news. Safe and Green Development Corporation, something related to real estate. So a first leading gapper is also not with fresh news. Yellow Flame, went from 114 up to $3.68 in 5 minutes, and now it's below VWAP. Nothing really exciting about it. What else do we have? CGD, as I said, this is a second leading gapper. SCNI, same move as SLRX. STAI, very choppy. SRPT, CICI, ugly chart, not interested. As you can see, it did try to break VWAP, and it was a false breakout. This is what we have. I guess most traders right now trading this CGD. I don't know. I don't want to be honest, to trade it. MACD is positive on 5-minute chart, but looks like it might be soon crossing on 1-minute chart and negative on 10-second chart. I guess we're waiting for something good and fast moving, something with a potential to make a big move. Again, upper wicks on 5-minute chart, same thing that was happening yesterday. As you can see even here, upper wick, and look at 5-minute chart. 3 upper wicks in a row. This is not a really good sign. And look at this drop from 160 to a VWAP at 132. Wow, 30 cents a drop. Looks like SLRX lost about 35-40%. So now it's at 202.25% on a day. So SGD is breaking VWAP. I don't see anything on the scanner. So it is 7:05. Looks like we might be waiting for a news at 7:30
if nothing is gonna pop up, so at 8 o'clock. Looking at the top gapper scanner, also do not see anything that is moving up on the scanner. Looks like SLRX lost more. Now it's 194% on a day. B, M, and R, hitting the scanner. This is something I cannot afford. Very expensive stock. But this stock can move. I know for sure, looking at daily chart. But it's still minus 8% on a day. So I'm not interested in it. There is a S, C, and I. Looks like they have news. New peer-reviewed publication supporting PSC disease-modifying therapy. So I want to see how traders will react on this news. Someone was already trading this stock as CNI, so they knew the news will pop up at a specific time. You see? News were published at 7:15, but the move was at 4:15 in the morning. So, is it insider trading? How can you explain this? So I don't know. To me, someone is already new news before 7:15, and possibly these people will be selling now. Float only 1 million, and looks like, you see, it cannot move fast, but it is a low float share stock. AGRI, hitting the scanner. I'm buying, moving, trying to get in. Is it gonna be any pullbacks? No, the stock just keeps moving up. Bought 5 shares, aiding, have 10 shares of the stock. Fast moving. I'm gonna add here. Can I add? So I have 14 shares of the stock, AGRI. It looks like it's selling off. And look at this, I'm minus $25 on it. So I'm gonna give it a second. to possibly reclaim high of the day. So, but this is a terrible trade, to be honest. So 40% on the day. Can we break a VWAP? It was a FOMO trade. You know, I didn't want to miss it. This is a poor risk management. My average cost $8.38. Oh wow. Went from $5 straight to $9.08, and I bought almost right at the top. So I'm holding, and it's just dropping. Looks like it's dropping. Huge upper wick on 5-minute chart. Not proud of this trade. So we need to break 707 to possibly go to the high of the day. But this is a risky trade. It cannot break VWAP. Looks like it's struggling. So we have bottom wicks, which is good, but any second it can break this level, 610. So nice candle was possibly to move higher. Hammer 685, 689. I see we're breaking. The stock moves higher. So even though if it's gonna go up to a high of the day, which was 1008, I'm not proud of this trade. This is actually a really bad trade for me. So we're having trouble with 797 level, looks like. Can we go higher? Sellers are pushing price down. I see the stock is moving up. Looking at the at level 2. I'm still so this is a pullback for most traders to buy the stock here for a possible move up. My average cost $8.38, and look at that. This is not a pullback. From $8 to $7.20 in one candle on 1 minute chart. Can it hold VWAP? No, it's breaking. This stock is 38%, 40% on a day. $52 on a day. Can we break finally this 820 level? Nice move. Can we go higher now? 820. Ton of sellers. Maybe they're hidden, but we cannot break $8. Look at level 2, looking at level 2. I'm gonna unload here. Is it gonna higher? That's a guy's terrible trade I'm doing. So I'm up on a day, almost nothing. Plus $1.17. I'm not proud of this trade. Risky. Was down twice below my max loss. Really bad trade. So I did notice yesterday that we have ton of stocks that popped up and reversed. So I thought that if first stock popped up today, we will have a nice move. So we did have a nice move on AGRI, but it already moved so fast that I bought on the top. Didn't wait for a pullback, and I got punished. Now instead of sitting, let's say, with $10 of profit, I'm sitting with $1.17 of profit, and just because the stock didn't reverse completely. So today could be a big red day for me. I'm glad, I made a small profit, so which is good, but this is a bad trade. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you tomorrow morning.